family, you? You know that?
Come on, Direk, come on!
Ito mo ha? Pangalan ko sa Facebook, Himlay Payapa, tapos mag-English ako.
Tama!
Awkward naman. I don't want to talk English. I don't want to speak English, you know, because my family lives in Vallejo, California. And actually, I was born in Puerto Rico.
So, how do you...
And then my mother,
You should be prone to speak
he snaps me.
Yeah.
Then my mother goes to Sao Paulo, Brazil. That's why I met Sepultura. So, do you have? Are you an actress or your model? Don't look at me. Kamukha na no? Sino kamukha niya? Si Rian Ramos. Rian Ramos, no? Hindi, natanong nila ako. Ano ba trabaho mo ngayon? Sabi ko, SOR na ako ngayon. SOR. Sabi niya, ano yan? Supervisor? Hindi, Johnny SOR. Actually naman mga clients ko from other space. Ano pala? Other country.
Ako yung mahiya.
I'm also Ginoo. Ginoong Bastos. You know that?
Wala ka mali.
Wala ka mali.
Ano yun?
Alright.